In this how-to guide, I'll be showing you how to press an Inktec 20 ounce tumbler. What you'll need is a tumbler press, a pair of heat gloves, some heat tape and your print. Now these are our 20 ounce tumblers just here, and for ease today I'll be using our tape mate and our tumbler clamp tool that makes it a bit easier to apply the tape once you've put your design on. With tumblers, if you're just starting out, we recommend keeping at least 10mm from the tops and the base of your tumbler when it comes to the design. Now this is because there's a small radius at the top and the bottom, and it can make it difficult to get the image to adhere to. So for now, we'll use a design that is slightly smaller than the top and the bottom. You can go to a full wrap if you wish. You'll just need to rotate the tumbler when it's in the press. Now I'll use our clamp tool to keep the design in place, and then we apply heat tape across the design to make sure it's firmly affixed and there are no gaps anywhere or lifts in the design that may cause the gas to escape and prevent a good transfer. With that done, we'll then need to press the tumbler at 180 degrees for 60 seconds. Do check with your supplier of tumblers to see what their recommended temperatures and times are. Right, let's get into it. With your tumbler wrapped and ready to press, we set our temperature on the press at 180 degrees. Always wear your heat gloves when operating a heat press. Now, if you're doing a full coverage tumbler, the time will differ to a partially covered tumbler. If your design only covers a part of the area of the tumbler and the element of the heat press covers this entire design, you can set the timer to 60 seconds. In our example, this is a full wrap and it won't be covered by the entire of the heating element. So we set our timer to 35 seconds and we will rotate halfway through the press and then set it off again. So we close our press and the timer will start. And after the 35 seconds, we'll rotate the tumbler. So our 35 seconds has elapsed. We'll open the tumbler press and then we will rotate the tumbler. And then close the press. Once the timer goes off, we can then open the press and remove the tumbler. We recommend removing the design straight away to ensure that the ink doesn't transfer to any unwanted areas. As you can see, our final product looks crisp and clear. And here's our final pressed tumbler. We've assembled it with the lid, straw and base. As you can see, it's rich and vibrant in colour, crisp and clear. You'll notice it completely differs from the print. Never judge the print to be the final product. Always press it to get the final result, which will be something akin to this.